Hey everyone, Aryan here. And in this video, we'll see that what are the tips and strategy for the ICSE Chemistry 2021 examination. This video has been freshly made for you all, so do like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for our latest videos. So now this video has been freshly made on taking advice from the teachers and some of the toppers of some schools, so it will be surely helpful to you all. So now let's first see the trend analysis for the past 4 years. In this trend analysis, you all can surely see the study of compound, the organic chemistry, the mole concept. These are the chapters that carried the highest weightage. I use the word carried. What do I mean by carried? The mole concept syllabus have been highly reduced. So the question from mole concept will be reduced from 12 to 13 marks to approx 6 marks only. The weightage of mole concept would shift to rest chapter itself. The rest chapter can be any of these. Any of these. I'm telling you any of these because I don't want you all to focus on some chapters only. I want you all to focus on each and every chapter equally, because the syllabus have been reduced to much extent. Therefore, we can't predict that which chapter would carry the highest weightage. But it is for sure that the study would come that the study of compound would still be of the max importance only. Clear? Now, the first thing that I would like to highlight you is the in-text question. In-text question for all the chapter that you do. The in-text question are from the concise book, so you have to do the in-text question from all the textbook that you all have. Clear? This is the first thing that you have to follow. In-text question RML. Now, moving to the chapter wise. The chapter wise in the periodic table, you should be familiar with the trends of the periodic table, the 1 to 780 groups, as well as the 1 to 20 elements, along with the 1 to 3 period. These should be learned by heart. This is for the periodic table. In periodic table, I would like to tell you that filling the blanks are asked, elements are asked, table is asked, and a favorite question on the board is to tell the trends. Question on trends is mostly times asked, so you all should be familiar with the trend. And for the trend, you should be you should learn the periodic table by heart. The next thing we all have is the chemical bonding. In chemical bonding, many students make mistake in the Lewis dot structure. They draw the Lewis dot structure wrong. Both the properties of ionic and covalent bond have to be done. How they are formed, the types of covalent bond have to be also done. The main thing in chemical bonding is the Lewis dot structure itself. So make sure to know that and draw them as much as you can. The next chapter that we the students faced difficult, and I personally faced difficulty also, was acid basis and salt. In acid basis and salt, the reaction of acid and bases with the chemicals is a very difficult portion to learn. That how can we learn this? If you want to learn the reaction, one tip that every teacher will give you is write the reaction. The same tip I am also giving you, write the reaction. Write as many reaction as you can. The more you write, the more you learn. The question based on pH scale and the change in indicators on the reaction, formation of salt, and the salt preparation based on the solubility curve. What do I mean by salt preparation based on solubility curve? First, you learn the solubility curve, and on basis of solubility curve, you have to do the salt preparation. Because if you have done the solubility curve, then you will know that the salt are soluble, which are insoluble, and on basis of that, you can decide the method for the salt preparation itself. Next thing we have is for the mole concept. For the mole concept, we have already uploaded for the most concept, we have already uploaded video, including the theory as well as the numerical based on the further reduced syllabus. You can check it out on our website as well. Pop-up would be appearing right here. You can check it out also. The next thing we have is the electrolysis. Definition of electrolysis, anode, cathode. These are the basic terms. You have to stick to the basics. The EC series have to be learned by heart, and the selective discharge of ions is to be also seen. Electrolysis of various elements at inert cathode inert electrodes should be also seen, along with the application of electrolysis, electroplating, and a clear difference between the oxidizing and the reducing agent. Water oxidizing and reducing agent should be also made clear. The next thing we all have is the metallurgy portion. In it, we have the difference between the minerals and the use of various metals. You have to learn the use of various metals because filling the blanks are asked from mid. If you have to score 95 plus, you have to make sure to give these small points a bit of more importance, because they are only the point that will fetch you more marks than the others. Because 85 is good. 85 anyone can score. The journey from 85 to 95 is a bit hard, so you have to cover that journey using these short points. Next thing is the extraction of aluminium. In the extraction of aluminium, you all have to see it to much detail using a mind map. You draw a mind map. You for any chapter in chemistry, you draw the mind map. The more you draw the mind map, the more you draw the flow charts, the more it will be clear. The next thing we have are the study of compound. The study of compound, like I told you, carried the highest weightage. In study of compound, you have to make sure to do the lab preparation about each compound and reaction with other. What do I mean by reaction with other? The chemical reaction that are there in each chapter. They are important, and like I told you, in equation, write it down. The more you write it down, the more you will learn. After these, we have the properties as well as the catalyst. That which catalyst is used for, or what is the purpose of this catalysis in this type of reaction. That is also asked from the study of compound. So make sure to note that also. The next thing we have is for the analytical chemistry. We have provided this table for the analytical chemistry on our website as well. You all can check. The main thing for the analytical chemistry are the color and the solubility. The color as well as the solubility. You have to make sure to note of this. So here is the table that is based on them. We have provided the color as well as the solubility. The color as well as solubility both for the sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. You have to make the same table in your book also. Make sure to make the same table in your notebook also. Not to print it, but to make it. Question based on observation are asked from this part. 2 to 3 marks are definitely asked from this part because they are some of the favorite question of the board, like I told you. In organic chemistry, people feel basically the problem in the nomenclature. Nomenclature is the basics. If you do nomenclature, then 3 to 5 marks short are asked from from the total section A and section B from the nomenclature itself. Then on the isomers and the functional groups, you have to study each and every functional group and properties of each hydrocarbon should be learned by heart. In organic chemistry for the reaction, create flowchart. I'm telling you to create flowchart because they remind me that of that chemical property of other is in the formation of other compound. Like if there is a chemical property of alkane, it might be that it is a formation of the alkene. So like this, you have to create the flowchart. The flowchart will help you study organic chemistry more clearly. It will help you learn the organic chemistry more easily. And this tip is followed till class 12 also. We create flowchart in organic chemistry. The next tips are the general tips. The general tips are equation should be written like I am telling you from the start. Observation question based on the prime, focus, analytical and sort like I am telling from the start. For you all, we have also provided this worksheet. This worksheet is based on the previous 10-year paper as well as assignments. You all can see that after each chapter there are additional questions. This has been taken from New Simplified Chemistry. There is a book known as New Simplified Chemistry. We have taken it and the link is on our website. You can check it out. The link to that is also there given. And one more thing is there are the chemistry 20-year paper. The chemistry 20-year paper have now become a must because what has happened is that the syllabus of the board is limited. The syllabus of the board has not been changed in the previous 15 years. Has not been majorly changed in the previous 15 years paper. So the question bank of the board has ended. The question that the board can ask from a particular chapter have ended. Like I'm telling you, they have ended. So what is the best sample space that we have? The best sample space we have are the previous 20 years paper. And for the previous 20 years paper, I have given them on our website. Also, you can check it out. The link is there in the description box, so you can check it out. And for you all, a major announcement. The major announcement that we have for the today is the chemistry crash course. The chemistry crash course is right now organized by our team. The chemistry crash course is free of cost, totally free of cost. Each and every chapter live classes are being held daily. You can join our Telegram group. The Zoom link for it is provided on our Telegram group. The link to that is also there in the description. And a paid chapter wise crash course. A paid chapter wise crash course for the sciences right now be organized by us. The first class is for refraction of light, and that is most probably the day you are seeing the video only. Chapter wise crash course, and we are just this is not free. This is paid because we are providing the content along with it. We are giving you live classes, live doubt classes along with the PYQ session, assignments, and assignment and solved papers also. This is for sciences right now. You can, and for the rest subject it also be planned. You can check the reviews of our crash courses on Instagram. The ID is the modern. Bilkul, the link to that is also in the description. So you can check the reviews and you'll be amazed by the reviews of our crash course. So I think that's all for this video, and make sure to check these and this. This has been provided on our website also, so make sure to check out this. The link is there. So I think that's all for today. So I hope you like it. So do like, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's all. Bye bye. Everyone, Shabbat.